the frame here. There we go. Anyways, hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna stay local again. We're gonna do a little bit of kayak fishing at one of the spots that I used to fish at a lot. It was pretty much the place where I cut my teeth at. Mostly for the reason, the fact is that the fishing up north really kind of sucks right now. I've been up there a couple of times and there really isn't any grass right now. I haven't really seen any bait anywhere, and I got skunked like 2 times in a row. So it's not really worth it for me to make the drive up there. It takes me a half hour, 45 minutes to get up there. So we're going to stay local and see if we can pick up some snook, maybe some trout. I don't know. This spot I've caught all kinds of stuff. Snook, trout, redfish, tarpon, even triple tail. So you never know what's going to happen here. I haven't been here in a long time, so I figured I'd go check it out anyway. So let's go check it out and see if we can make something happen. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Oh my God, the bugs are eating me alive. Wow. Holy crap. All right, let's get the hell out of here. Let's go get some fish. I haven't been here in a long time. It's pretty out this afternoon too. I got about, I don't know, like an hour and 15 minutes to fish. We're gonna run over to this one spot in this corner, try to get out of the wind and see if we can make something happen. Water's nice and clear. Make an epic paddle to get this spot. Get a little bit of time to fish. Definitely kind of shallow. Bust a real quick little cast on this spot before we get going. Let's see if we can make something happen. All right, let's go. We got to paddle all the way over there. Not a lot of time. Definitely not a lot of time. I'm gonna get a good workout today anyways. Right, even if I don't catch any fish. Still got a little bit of light left. Not a lot. Almost there. Almost there. Trying to start buckling our way in towards the mangroves a little bit. See some birds diving on some bait. It's a good sign. This is a great time of day to be here. This is the witching hour. Hopefully we can make something happen. There we go. Got something. Oh, it's a snook. Oh, I lost him. Damn! Nice! Damn it. That was a nice snook. Wow. That'll work. Alright. Let's try that again. Let's try not to lose him this time. Damn, that was a nice snook. I'm getting out. Shit, man. There's no water here. I'm definitely getting out. Let's go take a walk, guys. Let's turn this one off for a minute. No water, so I'm taking a walk. phone. In here. It's got a fan cast out around here. We got one snook, so maybe we'll get lucky and get another one. Wow, it's shallow here. There's like no grass, no nothing, and it's way shallow. That snook was out here in the desert. We're gonna hit this for a couple minutes and then we're gonna move back into that corner like I was talking about. Just to see if there's any more fish around here. One more cast and we're moving. We don't have a lot of time. Alright, let's go hop back in the kayak and hit that corner. Alright. Out. Sure could have kept that snook pin. Pretty nice fish. Whatever. There's something going on over here. Maybe. Yep, right away. We can hammer it. Probably a jack. Yeah, it feels like a jack. Little bit. Preliminary. Yeah, jack. Here, buddy. Oh no, it's a redfish! Oh, are you kidding me? Wow, what a nice redfish! Holy crap! That's friggin' awesome! Holy shit! I thought it was a jack. Hit it as soon as I hit the water. Check that out, guys. It's a beautiful little redfish. Wow, so cool. Check him out. Wow, he's crazy. All right, let's go get her done. See you, buddy. Wow, I'm getting out of the boat. Wow, boy, that's super cool. We're gonna get out of the boat now and see if we can get on some more. There was like just some little dimples on top of the water, and I saw it and I threw right on top of it, and that's where the redfish was. There's a couple more right here. Check it out. There's some action going on up here. Oh, just got hit. There we go. That's a nice fish. That's a good fish. That's a real good fish. Oh, wow, what is it? I think it's another old red. It is. Another old red. Nice. That's friggin' awesome. That's friggin' awesome. Oh, come on, come on. Friggin' gillet wrapped. Another beautiful little red. Wow. This is so cool. I never expected this. Check it out, guys. Pretty little red. Check out his spots. Wow. Look at that. 1, 2. Gotta love it. Wow. 100% never expected to see these boys here. Wow. Super, super cool. Alright, let's let them go. God, the camera's so wet. Alright. Wow. I bet you there's a whole school of them working up here. It's so super cool to see redfish here. You guys don't even know. Wow. It's freaking awesome. There's gotta be a school. Wow, I'm so glad I came over here tonight, guys. I never expected this. I thought, I mean, super cool to see. Alright, let's go get that, head back and get the kayak and we'll go hit the corner. That just made my day already. Just catching a redfish here. It's awesome to see. We're gonna go hit the corner. Hopefully there'll be some little bit of light left, and you guys will be able to see. I'm so friggin' happy. Hitting the corner, not stopping unless we see some movement. That's the deal. Next time I gotta give myself a little more time to fish, guys. Right? You know how it goes. Work, family. We're not gonna stay here too long. If I don't get a hit in a minute, we're out. We're gonna go back the way we came. Kind of left fish to catch fish. So probably not always the best thing in the world to do. Right? Damn, I wish I gave myself some more time to do this. A lot of water to cover in like an hour, 45 minutes. About how much time I had. Wow. Look how pretty that is, guys. I mean, I don't even know if the GoPro is going to capture this, but it is friggin' beautiful. That's an amazing sunset. Wow. Super cool. Super cool night. Didn't have a lot of time to fish. Actually didn't really have any time to fish. But the icing on the cake was to catch those redfish. I mean, they're pretty rare around here, so I'm going to keep fishing, and maybe you'll be able to see it, maybe you won't, but that'll probably be the end of this video, I guess. So thanks for liking, sharing, subscribing, all that good stuff. Make sure you do so if you haven't done so, and hopefully I'll catch a couple more redfish before the night's out. Maybe I'll be able to show them to you. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, you guys take it easy. Have a good time. Hope you're all fishing, enjoying yourself, doing what you love. All right, see you later. Bye.